Hello guys, this is Hayden. Today I'll be doing a 100k pack opening the 7.5k packs. So let's see who we get. First pack. Hopefully I get someone big. Ah, Naldo. Keep the contracts. Right, second pack. Come on. Come on. Terrible pack. Come on, Falco. Let's see if you can get me. Skip. Bullshit. Fourth pack. And guys, if you're interested, just subscribe to my channel, like my video, and just share it if you want to. Goes for like quick sell price. Is it fifth pack? Come on, Alaba. Come on. Right, we won't skip this pack. Oh, getting shit all. Fifth, is it sixth pack? Yeah, sixth pack. Come on, El Shaarawy. Come on. I might open one 15k pack. Let's skip this. Fuck's sake. I need Deji's luck. Alright, let's just open 15k back. Let's see what we get. Pew. Oh my god, I swear he's retired. That is decent. No, those just quick sells. I think it's 8th pack. Oh, I lost count. Someone. Who was that? Fucking not even one rare player. Still got quite a lot of packs left. Come on, Vidal. Come on. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Alright, we'll open a 15k back. I think you guys are getting bored of these 7.5k back. 15k back, here we go. Come on. Bale. Ah, we got Santana, Lukaku. That wasn't a bad pack, it was alright. Could have been better, could have been worse. Come on El Shawari. Fuck's sake! Oh my god, we got 81p centre back, silver. No. These packs have been terrible. One good player, please. Cahill never gives me one good. DRB. Not bad, his stats are good, all round player, but he's not worth anything. Oh man. And guys, leave a comment below telling me who you got in your packs of this team season. I got Bender. Alright, last pack. It's going to be a 15k pack, guys. We'll do some more pack openings in the near future, but right now, last pack. Come on. Team of the season, last pack. Let's see if we can end it with the team season. Down there. Oh my. These packs have been horrendous. This is good for there. Keep some contracts. Sell the rest really. Quick sell it. So yeah, this is my pack opening. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe, like.